Did you know that if you frequently feel pain at your thumb and wrist area, you might have the Quervain's tenosynovitis? Here are alternatives to doing some common daily activities that might help to prevent or relieve this syndrome. Wringing wet cloth will bring unnecessary strain to your thumb and wrist over time. Instead, use your palms to squeeze dry. Using the stapler wrongly can cause pain in your thumb and wrist. Instead of exerting force from your thumb, perform the action by using your palm with support from the table. Using a bamboo stick to hang dry your heavy laundry outside could be one of the causes. Use alternative methods to hang dry your laundry, such as drying indoor or changing to a modular laundry system. Else, ensure that the total weight of your laundry on the bamboo stick is not too taxing on your wrist. When using your mobile device, instead of using both thumbs to type a message, use a stylus pen or your finger to do so. Here are some common incorrect ways of holding the PC mouse. Do ensure that you hold it correctly, as this will help to prevent pain felt on your hand over time. Opening tight lids forcefully will create unnecessary pressure to your wrists. Try alternative methods like using moist washcloths or rubber gloves to reduce the force needed. Do remember to avoid activities that bend or twist the wrists for long periods of time. Take frequent breaks from typing or other repetitive activities to stretch your hands and wrists. We hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a like, and share with your loved ones.